Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make bubble tea from home. So I found this powder on Amazon. It's peach 3-in-1. It has the sugar, cream, and powder flavoring in it. It's really, really good. I found these tapioca pearls on Amazon as well. They're nice and soft and just very chewy. I really like them. So I'm making some for my husband and I. I'm using 4 cups of water to 1 cup of peach powder. That's totally up to you. There's literally no directions on the back, like at all. So I just gauged it, and for the sweetness that we want, my husband and I like 1 cup powder, 4 cups water. Once you finish that, go ahead and start bubbling your tapioca pearls. You want to do this last because if they sit too long or you put them in the fridge, they harden a little bit more than I like. I like them really chewy and gummy. So I like to make them last. So go ahead and boil it. They're going to start rising to the top, turning a little bit brown, bubbling up, getting bigger. You maybe want to wait a minute, 2 minutes, and then drain them. And you can already see that they're shrinking and they're black now. And that's what you're looking for. So that's it. I just added some ice cubes. Ready to go. Reusable, so it doesn't water it down. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one.